I'm here with some friends of mine. Everybody come say hi. Don't make your way over here so soon. It's okay.
Hi.
Finish the sandwich.
Okay. Oh, we're good. So today we are going over specifically exponents. All right, powers of 10 specifically. And so I'm going to talk about that for a second, and then we're going to move on to multiplication and division with exponents. So this is very, very simple. I'm going to write out a few powers of 10. 10 to the second power, 10 to the third power, 10 to the fourth power. All right, so 10 to the second power is just 10 times 10, which is 100. 10 to the third power is 10 times itself 3 times. It would be 10 times 10 times 10, and that equals 1,000. All right, and then 10 to the fourth power is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which equals 10,000. All right, so we want to notice some similarities here, okay? If I have 10 to the third, I'm multiplying 10 3 times, 10 times 10 times 10, 3 times. Now, notice this also. I've got 10 to the third, so we look at our 3 right here. I've got 3 zeros in this number. 10 to the second, 1 and 2 zeros. It's 100. 10 to the fourth, 1 and 4 zeros. Very, very, very simple concept. And so now, you can pause that if you want to take a second look at it. Now I'm going to go over multiplication and division. And I'm going to start with multiplication. So I'm going to erase this here. And I'm going to take a random number like 81 and 65 hundredths, and I'm going to multiply it by 10 to the third power. Now, we've got a decimal point here, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this decimal point and I'm going to move it 3 times. We have an exponent of 3. That's telling me to move that decimal point 3 times. Now, when I'm multiplying, all right, my decimal point, all right, is going to move to the right. That's very important to remember. When I multiply, my decimal moves right. So let me just show you it visually here. This is how it's going to work. I'm going to take it and go 1, 2, 3. My new decimal point is right here. And in this blank spot, I'm going to put a 0. So 81 and 65 hundredths is going to times 10 to the third. 81 and 65 hundredths times 10 to the third is going to equal 81,650. All right, that's 5. Let me write that a little bit neater there. 81,650. All right, because I took that decimal point and I went 1, 2, 3. My new decimal point's back here. Okay, so 81 and 65 hundredths times 10 to the third power is 81,650. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this, and we're going to take the same, but we're going to reverse it to division. All right, we're going to take the same equation, basically. Or actually, more of the same numbers. So, let me emphasize that when I divide, the decimal point will move to the left. Now, like I said, I'm going to take basically the same numbers, but I'm going to reverse it this time. 81 and 65 hundredths divided by 10 to the third. So I'm going to take my 81 and 65 hundredths, and I'm going to go ahead and take this decimal point, and I'm moving to the left. So 1, 2, 3. My new decimal point's right here, and I've added a 0 right here. So 81 and 65 hundredths divided by 10 to the third is going to equal 8,165. Let me see what that is there. 100 thousandths, all right? 0.08165, so 8,165 hundred thousandths, okay? And that is our answer for this one, and that is how we do it. Remember, when we divide, our decimal point is going to go to the left. When we multiply, our decimal point is going to go to the right. So feel free to review this video, and I hope that helps you understand this a little bit more. Thank you very much.